Hi dears, welcome to my channel Beeps Arena. Today we are going to discuss about another great social reformer, Ayyankali. Ayyankali was born at Venganur in Pulaya caste. During his period, the caste of the Pulaya were regarded as the lower one, and they don't have any kind of the right here to live properly. Do you know, in 1907, in Uratambalam village of Thiruvananthapuram, a group of people burned a government school building for giving admission to a Pulaya girl in the school. Pulayas were considered as the only and implement to work in the field. They are considered only the workers of the field, doing the different agricultural activities. Do you know, they had no right to walk on the roads. They were not permitted to wear the clothes worn by others, like high classes. People were allowed to cover their body above the knee. Especially ladies were not allowed to cover the upper part of their body in public. They were denied admission in schools. Ayyankali opposed this kind of the inequality existed in the society. He felt very angry to the people and the social evils, and he struggled against this one. He provoked the upper caste by wearing the clothes worn by Nayars and travelled on the road in a bullock cart, which was the privilege of the high caste. He organized protest marches known as Chalia raids. Because of the Chalia raids, they gained the right to use roads except those leading to the temple. During this period, lower castes such as Pulayas were not allowed to enter in the temples. Ayyankali founded an organization known as Sadhu Jana Paripalana Sangham. Based on this organization, they raised fund for the running school, and many of the children were not allowed to the school. That's why they started their own schools. And he organized agricultural laborers and wanted them not to work in the field. His agitation spread across the state and lasted for the month. Because of the great effort of the Ayyankali, government was compelled and forced to remove all restrictions put on education of the Dalits. By his efforts, Dalit women started to cover the upper part of their body. Because of his great effort and struggles, Mahatma Gandhi called him the King of Pulaya.